A YouTube studio for $15? That's what we're going to try to pull off in this video.
YouTube Simplified.
Hi, and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier, and it is my mission to simplify YouTube so you and I can grow together. And if you want to receive notifications on future content that can help you simplify YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. So what are you talking about, a YouTube studio for $15? Well, I was recently out shopping with my wife and kids, and we happened to go to Five Below. You may have a Five Below where you're from, but if you don't, it's basically a glorified dollar store where everything costs $5 or less. So that got me thinking, could I actually improve YouTube videos using the items that are for sale at Five Below? Challenge accepted. All right, so I picked up a variety of items, all of which were $5 or cheaper, and I wanted to see whether I could improve the quality of a video that I made on my phone using these items. So what I'm about to show you is footage from my actual phone without any of the items, and then we're going to jump into content using those items to help improve the quality of the video. All right, so for this video, I focused on two primary areas where people often have room for improvement, and I think doing these simple things can really help improve the quality of your videos when you first start out on YouTube. Those two areas are stability and lighting. There's nothing worse than watching a video and having the person shake their phone all over the place and make you seasick. So the first thing we want to do is create a stable phone. All right, so the look of poor lighting in a video can often happen for a variety of reasons. Either you're lacking the lighting or the quality of the camera in the phone is not quite up to par, and therefore you have to compensate for it. The great news is with the lower quality cameras, you can absolutely compensate for that by using better lighting. All right, so I went through the bag of items that I picked up at Five Below, and I picked out a few of them. I went and grabbed a cardboard box from something that we had shipped here, and then I set to work MacGyvering to create a little mobile YouTube studio. Could I actually improve the quality of the video using $15 worth of products from Five Below and a cardboard box? Well, at the end of this video, I want you to share your comments and let me know how you think I did. All right, let's jump over to the footage. First, I'm going to show you raw footage holding the phone without any special lighting, and then we're going to show you what that looks like compared to this little studio that I set up. All right, so I wanted to move to a room that didn't have really good lighting. This has some like inset, like a half a dozen inset little canister lights or whatever they're called. And I wanted to show you what we can do here with this setup, and then I'm going to show you exactly what the setup looks like. So this is what it looks like with no lighting. All right, so this is what it looks like with those two $5 lights and that $5 tripod. As you can see, it's a much improved image over what you would have without the lighting. As you can see, this is the lighting. We have a stable camera, which is much better than turning these off. And if you were just holding the camera. Again, really cheap, not a lot of money. You don't have to go out and buy an expensive tripod and a bunch of fancy lights to vastly improve the quality of the video that you're making. Now, I wanted to show you exactly what this setup was that I was using, and as you can see, it's a cardboard box with the tripod sitting in it with those two $5 lights stuck to the flaps of the cardboard box. Couldn't be any simpler, cost $15, and it's going to give you a much higher quality video than just walking around holding your phone. All right, so if you don't have a Five Below nearby, or you just want to pick these up online, I was able to find a similar light on Amazon. It says that they're Oxy LED closet lights, same basic design. The bar light has multiple LEDs on it, and you can set these up in the same fashion. These are running for $6.99 each, and there's currently a 5% savings. So pretty close to the same price. You're looking at $14 for a pair of lights. I'll put a link in the description below. All right, so I don't see the exact tripod that I picked up at Five Below on Amazon, but we're looking for low-cost solutions here. And here I was able to find a phone holder / tripod combo, which is essentially what I showed here in the video. This one even comes with a remote to be able to start and stop recording on your camera without actually touching it. So that's super helpful. It's only coming in at $7.99, so still a good value there. As was the case with the light, I'll put a link in the description below so you can check this out on Amazon. And hey, don't forget this video is sponsored by TUBEBUDDY. TUBEBUDDY is your #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel. It's available to download for free. There's a link in the description below, or you can go to trytubebuddy.today and get started for free. Cat meows not included. Okay, you get that one for free. So what do you think? Was this video helpful? Did it give you some ideas on how you can improve your content without a lot of money? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know what you think and whether or not we should make more videos similar to this one in the future. But hey, don't stop here. There's plenty more content here on Creator Fundamentals to help you simplify YouTube. Click on the playlist now.